Hello friends and followers. I haven't put anything on here in a while. I thought I would give a quick update. It's going to try to make this real short. This is on my double knee surgery. I am walking with a cane now. I don't know if you can see it. It's real bright out here. I can't even see myself in the camera. But I'm able to get around pretty good with the cane. Still stiff. They say that will stay for a month or two, which makes you a little leery because you don't know if you're doing enough exercises or not, and you definitely want to do all you can so you don't have anything not moving when you get done with all the exercises. So anyway, you can see that little guardrail, handrail right behind me there. My friend came over and put that up. Lots of things I hadn't thought of that I needed, like my yard mowed. My wife mowed the yard today for the first time since we've been married. I always figured that was my job, and she kind of agreed. She did a great job. It's good to have good friends. Anyway, I'm walking, exercising from as soon as I get up until in the afternoon. I take the evenings off and try to kick up my heels and relax. But that's what's going on here. I'm going to put on another video. It'll be a long one. I'm going to show all the things you need to have. I'm going to talk about, do you want to have double knee surgery? So I'll give you the pros and cons on that. Lots of things about that. But that's all there is for today. I'm doing good, feel good. Nice, great day. And I hope all of you are having an excellent day. And thanks for following me. Sorry that's jiggling. My arm is.